Hello guys, I'm Davis and today we are going to attempt to save the world from one serious problem. You probably have noticed that the new coronavirus has changed people's shopping habits and some grocery store shelves are emptier than usual. While keeping that in mind, I think my team and I have come up with a $1 billion idea to save you and your loved ones in case of emergency. You might be wondering what that $1 million idea is. You see, almost every shop has run out of toilet paper, and in case of a shutdown, it might be really challenging to get some. So, what if you could make toilet paper at your own home? My team had an idea to make a machine that would turn regular paper, newspaper, or old documents into toilet paper. So I started sketching. The main challenge for this project was to come up with a way to soften the paper without shredding it. So I came up with a gear-like component that might do just that. I also sketched some gears so you could turn the softener axis simultaneously. After a couple of hours of sketching, I think I have made the final design. Since I'm lazy and I want to make some new designs, I will send the DXF file to my friend and hopefully he will make the parts for me. By the way, I sketched the parts so they could be made both on CNC router and laser cutter. Alright, these are the parts I just got, so let's start putting this thing together. The joint seems to be a little loose, so I will use regular wood glue while assembling. Before putting together the bearing parts, I will apply some paraffin candle to the joints so they turn better. looks really good. Let's test out if it works as intended. Alright, the first pass seems to have little effect on the paper, so let's put it through one more time. It's getting better. So if you want the paper to be softer, you will have to run it through a couple of times. By the way, I also made this little thing that will help you to roll up the paper properly. So this is the way to make a toilet paper at home. If you have a CNC router or laser cutter, feel free to make one for yourself and also for your neighbor. But if you don't have access to neither of those tools, I will also upload PDF file containing the outlines for the parts on Aribabox.com, so you can make one for yourself using cardboard and paper knife. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be safe and I will see you next time. Bye.